Did you know that animals in different countries make different sounds? Let's find out together. Let's start with dogs. The USA. Woof, woof. France.
Waf, waf.
Germany. Woof, woof. South Africa. Bluff, bluff. Now, let's look at cats. The USA. Meow. Italy. Meow. France.
Miaou, miaou.
Germany. Meow. What about pigs? The USA. Oink, oink. In France.
Groin, groin.
Germany. Grunz, grunz. Poland. Grum, grum. And lastly, cows. The USA. Moo. France.
Moo.
Spain. Moo. Germany. Moo. Wow, it was so much fun to hear what animals sound like in your language. Learn more with Novakid. Bye-bye.